Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Taotao Parts is probably one of the most essential components for your scooter, and finding the right ones can make a world of difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Taotao Parts, exploring what makes them stand out, and helping you navigate the options to find the perfect fit for your needs. Whether you're a seasoned scooter enthusiast or just starting out, this video is your guide to everything Taotao. Number 5. AUTOKAY PZ20 Carburetor for ATV Quad Go-Kart. Looking to enhance your ATV or go-kart? This PZ20 carburetor is the perfect solution. It's designed to improve performance and ensure smooth operation. This carburetor fits a variety of Chinese brands and models. It's also compatible with Honda CRF 50F and CRF 80F models, offering versatility for different vehicles. Designed for 49 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters engines, it's suitable for ATVs, quad bikes, and dirt bikes. The PZ20 carburetor is a reliable choice for your engine needs. The package includes everything you need for a quick setup. It comes with a carburetor, gaskets, and filters, making the installation process straightforward. With this carburetor, you can expect improved throttle response and overall engine efficiency. It's a great way to optimize your vehicle's performance. The package includes the carburetor, gasket, O-ring, fuel filter, and air filter. Everything you need is included, so you can get it installed quickly. What we like. This carburetor offers a wide range of compatibility, fitting various ATV and go-kart models. It comes with a complete kit, including gaskets and an air filter, making installation a breeze. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install carburetor for your Chinese ATV or go-kart, this is a great choice. It's designed to get you back on the track quickly. What people say. The part fit perfectly. The product was exactly what I needed. The product works great. Number 4. Ignition kit for ATV go-kart dirt bike. This kit is 100% brand new and built for durability. It's also pretty easy to install. Please make sure to check all the connectors with your stock ones carefully. The package contains an ignition coil, a 5-pin CDI module, a 4-pin voltage regulator rectifier, a solenoid relay, and a 3-electrode spark plug. It has everything you need. This item is compatible with 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters horizontal engine ATVs, go-karts, dirt bikes, and pit bikes. However, it is not compatible with GY6 or CG engines. The 5-pin CDI box is designed for Chinese-made 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters 4-stroke horizontal engine ATVs, go-karts, dirt bikes, and pit bikes. It helps to improve the engine performance. The 12V 4-pin voltage regulator rectifier is compatible with various models. It is suitable for scooters, go-karts, quad 4-wheelers, and more. It helps to keep the voltage stable. The starter solenoid relay is compatible with a wide range of ATVs. If you have any problems, feel free to contact us. We are always here to help you. What we like. This kit includes all the necessary components for your ignition system, from the coil to the spark plug. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you're experiencing ignition issues with your ATV or dirt bike, this comprehensive kit will likely solve the problem. It is a one-stop solution for a smooth ride. What people say. Each component, including the ignition coil, 5-pin CDI box, solenoid, 4-pin relay, and voltage regulator, is constructed with precision and durability in mind. The ignition coil and CDI box work in perfect harmony, delivering a strong and consistent spark to the spark plug. This ignition kit is specifically designed for Chinese-made 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters vehicles, ensuring compatibility and a seamless fit. Number 3. JINGKE 12-teeth starter motor for ATV dirt bike. This starter motor is designed for a variety of Chinese ATVs and dirt bikes. It ensures reliable starting power for your vehicle. It's a dependable component for your off-road adventures. It's suitable for most Chinese 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters dirt bikes, go-karts, and ATVs. This part is a versatile solution for your needs. Make sure it fits your specific model. The motor features 12 teeth and operates clockwise. It has 3 bolts for secure mounting. The bolt hole spacing is designed for easy installation. The starter and relay are made from high-quality materials. The design allows for easy installation without the need for drilling. You can get it up and running quickly. The package includes the starter motor, a solenoid relay, and 3 screws. Everything you need is included for a straightforward installation. This ensures you have all the necessary components. We offer professional after-sales support and free technical assistance. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a replacement or return. We are here to help you. What we like. This starter motor features a 12-tooth design for efficient starting. The easy installation process allows you to get back to riding quickly. If you need a reliable starter motor and solenoid relay for your ATV or dirt bike, this is an excellent option. It's a durable and easy-to-install solution to get your engine running. What people say. Worked on my Taotao new Cheetah 125 four-wheeler. It was an exact replacement for our Taotao Cheetah 107 cubic centimeters. Need a new starter for my kid's four-wheeler and was able to easily find what I need and it came super quick. Number 2. PZ20 Carburetor for ATV dirt bike. This PZ20 carburetor is compatible with a wide range of brands, including Taotao, Sunl, Rokita, and Coolster. It's designed to work with various models, ensuring a versatile fit for your needs. This makes it a great choice for many different vehicles. It fits models like Taotao, NST, Sunl, and Kazuma Baja, ranging from 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters. This carburetor is also suitable for dirt bikes, ATVs, go-karts, and four-wheelers. Please note that it doesn't fit XR50 CRF50. The Huai PZ20 carburetor provides higher power and better fuel efficiency. This means the engine will run more smoothly and use fuel more effectively. You'll notice a difference in performance. It comes with a 35mm motorcycle conical air filter with a double steel mesh design. This helps to filter out impurities, ensuring optimal engine performance. The filter is designed for durability and efficiency. The package includes the carburetor, fuel line, fuel filters, gaskets, intake manifold gaskets, O-rings, an air filter, and a clamp. Everything you need for installation is included. This ensures a complete and convenient purchase. What we like. This PZ20 carburetor is designed for high performance and fuel efficiency. It is compatible with a wide range of brands and models. If you want to upgrade your ATV or dirt bike's performance, this carburetor is a great choice. It will give you more power and better fuel economy. What people say. The part fit perfectly and was easy to install. The product was exactly as described and worked great. The quality of the part was excellent. Number 1. LOCOPOW GY6 Starter Solenoid Relay. This is the LOCOPOW GY6 Starter Solenoid Relay. It's designed for various Chinese ATVs, scooters, and go-karts. It's a reliable part for your vehicle. This starter relay fits many Chinese-made vehicles, including 50 cubic centimeters to 250 cubic centimeters models. It's compatible with brands like Taotao, Coolster, and Apollo. It's a versatile solution for your needs. The relay works with numerous brands such as Bali, Kart, and many more. It's designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, ensuring broad compatibility. You can easily find the right fit. The product is built to last. The materials and construction are carefully controlled to ensure quality and performance. This ensures it will serve you for a long time. The relay size is precisely matched for easy installation. The socket and interface are designed for a perfect fit, requiring no adjustments. It's ready to go right away. We stand behind our product with a 1-year after-sales guarantee. If you encounter any quality issues within a year, please contact us. We are here to help. What we like. This starter solenoid relay is compatible with a large variety of Chinese ATVs and scooters. It's built for a long service life, ensuring reliability. If you need a replacement relay for your ATV or scooter, this is a solid choice. It's designed to last and get you back on the road. What people say. I have a Taotao scooter and this was a perfect fit. The part was exactly what I needed and works perfectly. The product fit perfectly and was easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.